Garrett, get out of the way of the trailer. What are you doing? No, Garrett, he has a job to do. Leave him alone. Don't walk away from me, Mr. Man. Rocket ship, be free. Goodbye.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Dog that he does to me. Barking when he's asleep.
Can you not? Oh. Edie. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright guys, so he's sleeping right now. Watch this. Chapo. Chapo. Do you want a treat?
Do you want to come over and cuddle with me? No? Yeah? Okay. Come here.
Do you want me to still hold her or you want to just go for it? Because of the mitt. What do you want me to do? Oh no, I think you should hold her. Get it, get it.
Okay, get in the car. It ain't that high. Go on. In the car. Leaving your dog-ritos on the ground. Why can't you just get in the car? All right, then.
Release command is free, and I am trying to trick him.
Friends. 4. French. Freak. Frog. Frosting. Free.